sustainability is one of the top priority for us. So what we have done is, sustainability starts from not the product. Sustainability starts from how we have to operate. One of the first things that we are operating over here is that we have a complete industrial engineering team where we are making sure that sustainability first point is reduce. So we are actually having a solution in our production system. One is that Kaizen, and then we are also deployed 5S. We deployed Pokioki. We also deployed in our system is to reduce the process where we can make sure that we are optimizing the raw material and the production process. So our production process is optimized, one of the area. Then second part is the environmental aspect. What we have done is we have launched our a solar system where the power is coming from the natural source. Our production requirement is per day 6.5 megawatt. And in our factory, what we have done is we have deployed 3.5 megawatt power system, solar power system. It's more into on-grid solar. It's not an off-grid, on-grid solar. So it's a sustainable one. We have changed our working time. Our working time is starting from morning 7 a.m. So the pure energy we are getting from the workforce. The second part we have deployed is the zero discharge. Zero discharge is that I think in the trims and packaging industry, very few organizations is having zero discharge. We have the zero discharge where there is zero water going to outside landfill. The third part, we are now working on the P2 control, the pollution control. So we have launched, one of the department is primarily, they are actually making sure that all of our energy, the energy or carbon dioxide that we are producing in our factory, where how much carbon dioxide we are generating and how much carbon dioxide we are reducing. So we have a calculator. We are actually publishing this data to our customer that how much energy we are producing and how much energy we are reducing. And the last part, what we have done is all the sources, the raw material sources from the sustainable source. Especially if I talk about the poly, all the poly resin nowadays, we have a traceable source where all the raw material is coming from outside. It is actually completely traceable, recycled raw material. We are actually using our paper. Most of the paper are recycled source. So primarily it's coming from different part of the world. One of the thing is from Australia. We are bringing paper from European Union. We are bringing paper from Brazil. We are bringing paper from even Southeast Asia. So, and then rest of the things like ink. If I talk about ink, we are also going with vegetable ink. It's more into sustainable source. And then if I talk about swing thread, we have a 100% recycled swing thread. Even the color dye chemical we are using, it's a sustainable dyes chemical. And then if I talk about our poly bag, so we have launched paper poly bag. So this is an biodegradable poly bag. So biodegradable is more into the time waste. Some of the biodegradable material is 1 year, it will be dissolved. And paper poly bag is more into the complete sustainable paper solution that we have. So when it comes to sustainability, so another important things that we have implemented in our system is that we have got diversity and equality and inclusion to all the level. Especially in our production system, when it comes to digital and RFID and other area, sophisticated area, what we have done is we have incorporated people from different university, primarily the female, and they are coming from different ethnic group, especially Muslim, Christian, Buddhist, and Hindus. They all are there in our production facilities. So that means that Montrims is primarily driving the diversity, equality, and inclusion in all aspects. And other area is the supply chain. Is what we have done is that we have a supply chain team now, specific to the industry specific. For example, we have a textile engineer in the supply chain where actually they are sourcing that raw material, yarn sourcing they are doing. We have a graphic arts guy who is actually in a supply chain department, who is actually finding out the craft liner and liner paper and the paper solution for us. So these are the supply chain optimization that we have done. Thank you.